all night. We could do this all night. Nick Pacino!
Nick Pacino! Nick Pacino! Nick Pacino!
Go Black! Go We always dreamed about this better life, this better life. We always felt it coming all along, yeah, all along. We got
Hi Palayanon! Ako si Darta. Happy Cabisera Festival, Palayan City!
and come on baby, we can hit that lights, make the wrongs turn right. We can smash that clock, make the pop go rock. With a love this deep, we don't need no sleep, and it feels like we could do this all night. We could do this all night.
Binabati ko nga pala ng Happy Cabisera Festival ng Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. Enjoy kayo lagi yung gabi at maraming salamat sa pagtanggap dito sa amin pa. Let's go!
We could do this all night. Yeah, everything is alright.
Kaya ka nagiging maganda dahil may mga pangit. Kami ang nagsakripisyo para gumanda kayo.
I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it.
Napakasaya ng Cabisera Festival sa lungsod ng Palayan.
Nagkakaroon tayong kasiyahan at the same time, tumutulong tayo.
Ngayong gabi ito, let us stand proud sapagkat dito sineselebrate ang anibersaryo, pero may mga kababayan tayo sa Aurora na tutulungan po ng city government ng Palayan. At pinapakita rito ang kagandahang puso ng ating mga kapwa Novesiano, of course, ang pamilya Cuevas na noon pa man ay ginagawa na ang ganitong klaseng pagtulong.
Hello! Maraming salamat Palayan for having me. This is Janine and thank you ulit.